Understanding, sum it all up, an English phrase explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, sum it all up. This phrase is not just about math but is a vital part of everyday English conversations. So, let's break it down and understand its meaning and usage. Stay tuned. Sum it all up is an idiomatic expression used to indicate concluding or summarizing a large amount of information or experiences in a few words. It's like taking many details or ideas and compressing them into a simple, concise statement. This phrase is often used at the end of discussions or explanations. This phrase has its roots in mathematics, where sum refers to the total amount resulting from the addition of numbers. In everyday language, it has evolved to mean gathering various points together. Sum it all up is typically used in both formal and informal settings, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Let's see some examples. 1. After a long debate, to sum it all up, we need to focus on both quality and efficiency. 2. In storytelling, to sum it all up, the hero learned that true happiness comes from within. 3. In academic writing, to sum it all up, the research indicates a significant correlation between sleep and productivity. These examples show how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts. A common mistake learners make is using sum it all up in the middle of a conversation. Remember, it's used for concluding or finalizing thoughts. Also, avoid overusing it in a single discussion to maintain its impact. I hope this video helps you understand and use sum it all up effectively in your English conversations. Remember, it's all about bringing together different points into a concise summary. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.